Hello everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a project share for Scrap Diva Designs, and today this is the die that I'm sharing. It is a round charcuterie board and it has 6 pieces, and I made an album with this. So since I've been on a little mini album kick, I decided to make a recipe book just like the others are making as well. I wanted to go with a Maggie Holmes, however I didn't think any of those collections really matched the board, so I decided to go with this collection. This collection is called Farmhouse Kitchen, and this is what it looks like here. It is by Echo Park and it was released, I believe, last year. So I did pick that up from Amazon. I needed something to come quick. I picked this collection because it's a lighter country. I'm not much of a country craft maker. However, I thought, hey, this is going to be doable because of the light colors, and it doesn't have too many dark colors besides the black. And so this is what I came up with, you guys. Let's go ahead and get on into it. The die can be found at Scrap Diva Designs. I will have her linked below. This is her information, Instagram and YouTube, as well as her website is scrapdivadesigns.com. Here is a hashtag scrapdivadesigns, which you can follow and gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. If I inspire you today, please use my discount code. It's V10, that's VEE10, and that'll save you. So you want to get your savings, you guys. Okay, so this little die here, well, not so little, but still 6 pieces, and you can make so many with it. You could use it for your scrapbooking, card making, Happy Mail embellishments, tags. You can use it for your swaps. You can make shaker cards with it. Any DIY crafts is possible with this. I went and made a little mini album. So I did pick up the small collection. It is just with the cardstock and the cardstock stickers, and so that's what I used, you guys. You can use those cardstock stickers and make them into ephemera pieces like I did here. Right here, you can't even tell where it says happiness is handmade. This is a sticker, and all I did was backed it with some 110-pound cardstock. I did some stitching and I fussy cut, so it's very thick. So now it became an ephemera piece, as well as these containers here that say coffee, flour, and sugar. I went ahead and added this floral piece here. These flowers, I did try to mimic the flowers in this collection, as you can see right here. So a lot of these flowers here have black centers, and that's what I wanted to go with. So as you can see here, I am using Scrap Diva Designs a flower die as well for the leaves. So I always go back to this up here, the leaves as well. So all of these flowers that I use are from different companies. It's just from my stash, and I just put everything together and try to create what was found in the collection. I did back this, or the base of this mini album is 110-pound cardstock, picked up from Michael's. It's the white. For the front and back cover, I did use 2 pieces plus the cardstock on the top and the cardstock on the bottom, so it's a total of 4 for the cover pieces, the back as well. So the inner pieces are just 110-pound cardstock plus the 2 pattern papers, which is also thick as well. I do have a rolling pin in the back. I did want the red to show a little more. Unfortunately, I was unable to do that. I did back this sentiment here with some black right there. I added some of the seam binding here that I picked up from Etsy, some blue and some yellow. So let's go ahead and get on into it. I made some pockets for these. So on the opposite side of the front cover is this that says bless this kitchen. Here is where you would put your picture. Again, it is a recipe book mini album, so you would put a picture of whatever recipe is going to this page is going to contain. And in the back here, each page has pockets, and I did stitch on everything, so everything has some stitching, and I went with a white color. I thought that was very country. So these pull out here so you can do your recipe jotting, and I love these because this is perfect for stocking stuffers, especially for your children or grandchildren, and you want to preserve your recipes. You just jot them down here, put a picture right there, and your family could keep your recipes, and just, you know, your heritage. It's a part of your heritage as well. It's part of your family, and I think this is perfect. I did do some fussy cutting of some smaller pieces from the pattern paper, and I also did some stitching. Here is a flower as well. So each page is fairly similar to one another, just different styles. So here again, this one pulls out, and you have two areas to write your recipe along with a picture. So I love it. This one has the plaid, the black, and then the red and the blue, and I love it, you guys. So this one is such a cute little page because of the chicken. I love the chicken. It says handmade with love, a basket full of eggs. This is where your picture area is, and again, same thing. A smaller charcuterie board pulls out to add your recipe. And I love it because the red and the black, it just kind of coordinates. And so this page here, if you could see a little piggy picking out, I love that. It's such a cute little piece just to find as you're staring at this. Oh, there's a little piggy there. I love it. So it has a bowl, has the spoon, the picture area. It says made with love bakery, and then other just some food titles here that some are covered, and then again it has the egg basket here with the floral here, and this pulls out as well to reveal your written area. So that's such a cute little piece there. Okay, again here, this is the same thing, just different styles. Here I added some jam, I added some flowers, utensils, your picture area, it says farmhouse here. And then I love this part here where the rooster is. It pulls out to add your recipes, and on the back as well. So that one is the green area, and then I added this pink flower. The flowers are all similar to one another. I love this one too because of the barn, how miniature this barn is, and I did some stitching on it. I had some floral pieces, and look at this cow. How cute is that cow peeking under where your picture would be? Some strawberries, and again another floral area. This pulls out to reveal your recipe. And then I love that it has pockets, because if you need to write more things down, you could add some notes back there. You could add some more recipes back there as well. You could even do like a booklet and just put it in there. So you could add so much more to this recipe mini album. Okay, here's again where you put your picture. This is a milk jug, a glass one, which are they're awesome. I love those. And then the rooster, and here is the barn. It's a larger size. The charcuterie board in the back has some a strawberry basket. This pulls out to reveal your recipes. So, and then again here, some floral pieces, some berries. I feel like this is like an outdoorsy type of page, and you could add your picture of your recipe right here. And then I love this little timer. It's a little chicken, it's a timer, and then you just add your recipes on that miniature charcuterie board. And in the back here is just the back cover, and it says Farmhouse Kitchen. I did want to put that there so you would know which collection this was made by, in case you want to try to make some tags with them or whatever you'd like. And I forgot to put this one in. So this is such a cute piece. If you have any questions, please link them below. I enjoyed making this little miniature mini album, especially that it's a charcuterie board. It is the round one, and there are other pieces that have been restocked at scrapdivadesigns.com. I want to go over them real quick, and then right after I'll have a flip through of this mini album. So let's go ahead and get on into it. What has been restocked has been the heart doily wheel, the large mailer box, the coffee cup gift card holder, the craft tote, the craft words, snowflake bows, the Hello Crafty Friend die, the tape roll, the Viewmaster that will work with the heart view, the star view, and the crown view, the paper straw bow, the mini layer bow, the mini memory decks card is available still, you guys. That one I still have to do. That will be my next one, so stay tuned for my next video of memory decks cards, and again featuring scrapdivadesigns.com. The telephone dial, which works with the shaker phone die, the heart sunglasses, do you remember that from Valentine's? That is back in stock. The lipstick treat box, the eat, sleep, craft, and repeat. So those are all dies that have been restocked. So if you have been waiting for some dies to be restocked, now is your chance to grab a hold of them, because they will sell out. Erica did mention that all of her dies have been selling out like hotcakes, so go ahead and grab that if you have been waiting for any of those, because I don't want you guys to wait for the next restock, and what if there isn't. So okay, you guys, this concludes the video. I hope you enjoy that. I know this is not something that I normally create, however, I thought it was fitting for this die. I thought that country would go best with this die, or Christmas or Valentine's, and so I wanted to go ahead and do that in a light version, light colors, and I thought this was perfect. Okay, so this concludes the video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.